Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. I'm Akin and in this video we'll learn how to delete your ChatGPT account. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up your Google Chrome and now search for help.openai.com and then it will lead you to AI Help Center. Once the server opens up, you'll be now able to see this kind of interface on your screen. Now tap on the General Top FAQ option under the search bar and then scroll along and look for how can I delete my account. And now select the section. And here you'll be now able to see the methods to delete your ChatGPT account. There are usually two methods. The first method is through the ChatGPT website and the second one is through the ChatGPT email support. Now you can choose whichever method that you like. Now if you don't want your method to be too complicated, you can go ahead and give a try to the second method, because on second method, you just need to send an email to deletion@openai.com from the mail which you registered for ChatGPT. Once the mailbox opens up, you can now create an email. And in the subject line, you need to mention or include account deletion request. And also don't forget to include or mention please delete my account in the body section as well. And also make sure that you're sending this email through the email address that you used during the registration of ChatGPT. And once you're done, select the send button in the top right corner. And now once your request has been sent, it might take a few days or even few weeks for your account to be officially deleted. But eventually it'll get deleted. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.